Just chilling in my car, listening to some music with my window down, jamming. Motherfucking bird hits me. I'm not joking. My car's dirty, but look. Fucking dead bird in my car. There are feathers everywhere in my car now. I'm pissed. Sure, he hit that panel right there. Flew in and landed right here. Time to start the burial. R.I.P. I need some distraction. Oh, I personally didn't know this bird, but I like to think he died the way he wanted to. I like to think he's still flying up there, high in the sky, in a better place. See this? I think this is where he hit my car. And my face was right there, so I'm actually kind of lucky. Be safe, y'all.